Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new Valorant tutorial video. And in this video, we will talk about how to get ace every single time. An ace is achieving a kill on every member of the opposing team in a single round. It is a challenging feat in Valorant and often depends on various factors including individual skill, teamwork, and specific situation, but overall aim.
Kills remaining. Dominating.
Though there are many ways to improve your aim, in my opinion, deathmatch is overall the best choice.
10 kills remaining.
Deathmatch not only improves your aim, but it also helps you get a better feel of your movement, which can be a crucial part of getting the juicy ace.
Dominating.
Playing a lot of deathmatch will certainly be useful in improving your aim and overall performance. Deathmatch provides a controlled environment for focused aim training. Practicing against live opponents helps improve your aim, precision, and flick shots, which is essential for securing kills and getting ace. Engaging in deathmatch hones your reflexes and reaction time. Quick and accurate reactions are crucial when facing multiple opponents, increasing your chance of eliminating them efficiently. Aces often involve winning multiple 1v1 engagements. Deathmatch provides ample opportunities to practice and refine your skill in those one-on-one scenarios, including anti-flagging and clutch situations. Consistency is the key to improvement. Regularly practicing in deathmatch provides ongoing practice, helping you refine your skill over time. This consistent effort contributes to your ability to achieve aces. Practicing the shooting range in Valorant is an excellent way to improve your aiming, shooting mechanics, and overall gameplay, which in turn helps you get more aces in the game. Thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.